Hello guys, welcome back to our second video on building with C++. Today I'm going to look at using online compilers as your IDEs for C++. So here I have my Google Chrome browser open. Just have to type online, sorry, online C++. So what if you want to see? So let's take this first one. We're just looking at 3. So this is where you put your code. This is where you get your output. So at the left hand side is where you find your code. At the right hand side is where you find your output. So you just have your code here. You come and then you run. Didn't get it. Yeah. So let me try writing something from scratch. Let's see. So let's see. So our code has been executed, so you can see the output at the right hand side. So let's try that online compile. Let's just try extract 2. So I'm trying to copy this so that I will just paste what I have to. Right. Come back. Okay, there's another compiler and let's see this. Okay. Alright. So let me post what we have here. Alright, so this is our codes. So I think you have the run button here. You have the debug, the stop, the share, the save. So let's run this and see. And so you could see that our output comes beneath our code scene, so you can see this. I think let's try W3 schools. W3 schools. Let's have it very nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is all the other compilers are what me just check them out and then see the one that works for you. Then you would use that. So let's try the W3 schools. Okay, so think this is my so it comes here. Let's paste the code that we wrote on the other side there. Let's run. Let's see. All right. But the downside with this is that they are online compilers, and then you need an internet connection to be able to use this IDEs. Thank you.